If you've been feeling a little unsteady on your feet, then you're in the right place because today we're going to focus on some simple exercises for older adults to help with your balance. Maintaining good balance is crucial for staying active and preventing falls. Hi, I'm Cathy from SimpleFit Physical Therapy. If you have any pre-existing injuries or conditions, please consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program. And remember, maintain your safety at all times with these exercises. So grab a sturdy chair, a counter, or a wall for support, and let's get started. Put your feet in tandem. That means to put one foot directly in front of the other. We'll start arms by our side. If that's too difficult, we can stand with our arms out to our sides. And if we feel that that's a little too easy, we can cross our arms over our chest. If standing with one foot directly in front of the other is too difficult for you, you can just take a small step and proceed through the exercises like that. If that's a little too easy, we can put our foot offset so the foot is in front of the other foot, but not directly in front of it. And then you can proceed through the motions. So once you can stand, whether it's a partial tandem or full tandem, with your arms crossed, we're going to progress and we're going to lift both hands up in the air like so. You can do it holding the small ball, or you can do it with alternating arms. Then we can add the head nods and the head turns. And you can see my feet are shaking a little bit, but that's okay because I'm close to the chair. As you're turning your head left and right or lifting it up and down, you want to go at a pace that's comfortable to you. You don't want to go so fast that it throws you off balance. Now we're going to do looking up and looking down. Once you're able to do those exercises, we can move on to an unstable surface. In the clinic, we usually use something like an RX pad. At home, you can use a pillow or a cushion. Today, I'm going to use this. Your feet in tandem on the foam with your arms crossed, lifting them both up together in front of you. Looking up and down. Okay, this is where you'll see I have a little bit of trouble, but that's okay. I've got the chair here. I'll use it as much as I need to. So for me, on this one, since it seems to be a little challenging, what I can do is I can just put my fingers lightly on the back of the chair to help me stay balanced. But it's still a little bit of a challenge, and you can tell that because you can see my feet wiggling just a little bit. And then also left and right. If you are starting with having to balance with your arms out to the side when your feet are together, it could take a while before you're able to advance through these progressions. If so, you may ask your doctor if physical therapy is right for you. I hope you found these exercises helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe and consider watching the next video here.